Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Irene. In case you're new to this channel, guys, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and also sharing the video, guys. And after watching the video to the end, please leave a sweet comment down below what you think about my videos. So today is on Sunday, and I'm somewhere here. People are playing football right here. It's sports day, yeah. So I'm somewhere here. I'm sitting on this motorbike, but I'll be showing you guys what we're doing, how they play football, how they do it here in Kenya. But we have a lot of rain, like the ground is so wet. But please keep watching this video to the end, and also guys, remember to subscribe. Yeah, remember to subscribe. So we just arrived like some few minutes ago, and I feel like my head is because maybe I don't know, because in the morning there was a lot of sun, but when we were here, like the sun keeps cooling down because you see the clouds right there. It might even rain, yeah. So keep it locked here and subscribe the channel. So it is still sports day. People are playing football. The winning team, guys. Yes, guys. You see around the place, trees like this person here. A lot of trees, and we have the tea leaves inside. Yeah. So I'm here, and I feel like my leg is paining because I was playing football, and then yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Irene. Yeah, so in case you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Today we are somewhere here. I want to check the eyes, and right here, what is okay? Right here is my doctor.
Yeah, I'm Joseph Amisi, an ophthalmic Yeah, I went to do some eye tests to Irene. Welcome. Yeah.
So where are you located? Like
located.
Try to market yourself.
Manila, Shivrin supermarket. Or Shivshakit, opposite Shivshakit supermarket. Yeah.
So you only offer the what service do you offer here?
We offer what we call eye test itself, gold refraction. We do dispensing, repair and maintenance of spectacles, and we do referrals. Yeah.
So you do referrals.
Referrals.
So if it gets worse here, you send me somewhere
Yeah,
else.
to send you somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah. So how long have you been, like, you have experience of how many years?
Like 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
And what are some of the challenges? You know, in everything we have advantages and disadvantages.
Exactly.
Tell us some of the
disadvantages mostly are people don't care much on the eyes. Yeah, if somebody has got a problem, he says, let me, I will go another day. Another day.
Yes.
Okay, there are other things like financial challenges.
Yes.
Yeah, if someone comes for maybe for the checkup, he or she doesn't have what we call the finance. Sometimes then I'll come back, but he or she doesn't come back
because of the money.
Yeah.
Sometimes getting the money is a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, do you have a website? Or your number? Maybe someone who wants to.
Okay, if you need our services, as I have told you earlier, we are located opposite Shakit Supermarket, Florida. Yeah, you can reach us through maybe my phone number.
Yes.
07 00 681 201.
201.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Advise the youths. Those people want to take this course. So, yeah. So advise.
It's a good cause. Let me tell you, it's a good cause. Yeah, it's an hot cake, I can tell you.
It's an hot cake.
And it's an hot cake. Yeah. Welcome to this industry. It's a good one.
It's a good one.
Most people go to medical, but they don't venture in eye department.
But eye department is it's included in medical, right?
It's included, but they do, how can I call it? Shallow. They don't go deep. Mostly they go these other services. Yeah, they live away with the optical department.
Okay. So we go with manual. This is manual.
Yeah. The best actually get a very, very problem.
Okay.
Although machines are accurate, something faster. This one.
Hey. Okay, hata ionekani.
Naona kama nini? Usisongeshe tuweke kweli.
Something like B.
Okay.
Yeah, ionekani kabisa.
Kana kashimo hapo hiyo. Ndio. Sawa. Hapa ndio nataka kutumia.
Why? Something like 3?
So, bali niangalie ni tu unafanya nini moja tu.
Okay.
Bye. Sawa.
Hivi. Nenda hivi.
What about this one?
Bado ni hivi.
This one?
E.
This one?
E. Bado ni E.
This one?
Hai, ionekane vizuri.
Lakini inaonekana kama
W.
this one?
M. Pata ionekane vizuri. Okay. B.
Zile nilikwambia ni hii ama hiyo M. So niambia mahali hii miguu inaelekea. So not a such a physical.
No. Hizo ndogo hizi haziko visible hizo.
Hii.
Hivi.
This one?
P.
This one? This one?
Hi, not visible. That one is not visible. Kwanzia hiyo line. Guys, I'm here. I'm buying the locks for the house, for the doors. I've already paid. And like one lock is 1,700. So let me show you what I've paid. And we need 5 locks. Yeah, that's 8,500. Let them give me the receipt, and I show you. You know, everything is super expensive. See right here?
What?
Do you know? And so guys, I have paid for the logs, 5 of them, and one log goes for 1,700. So then 5 pieces. Boja, 5 pieces. So that is it, guys. Trying to fix the doors. Then we see. Yeah, so I've used 8,700. ¿Ahí viene bien? ¿Ah, viene bien? ¿Viene bien? No. Okay. So these are the locks, guys. Let me show you. There we went the locks, the keys. You see down here? How many keys? 2 of them. Yeah. Okay, let me just go home. Then I'll get all of them out. Then I'll show you. Okay, move. ¿Dónde? Viene, que va, no me lo coño. Viene, So this is what we have bought, 8,000. Yo, hata kuna tusianga na box. Hii bei. Ngoja. Mimi najua hiyo bei. Mimi nimeenda kwa Madam Bogros. Mbekele mnaanza kiasi so. Madam Bogros aliniambia nikikuja niende direct kwake. Julie mnanisumbua. Yes, so guys, this is what we have bought, 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 5. So let us meet at home, then I will show you what we are doing. Thank you. So guys, I'm heading home. I managed to buy the locks. Yeah, they're here, guys. I'm going to show you when I'm at home. So one lock, it goes for 1,700 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, it was 18, and you know, sometimes they told me 2,000, then it came down. They told me 18, and they gave me a discount of 17. So I bought 5 locks, so that's 1,700 times 5. That is 8,500. So we have the locks already. Now the carpenter was to come and fix the doors today, but what happened? The carpenter called me and they told me I'm gonna come tomorrow. Yeah, because he was having some work somewhere, so he went to finish that work. Then tomorrow I will have to fix the doors, because what was remaining is the locks and the doors. But I've put the locks, guys. Yeah. So thank you so much, my friends. Thank you so much for supporting me. Yeah. So these are the corns plus the beans. Yeah. So we're heading home. These are our maize right here. The corns, yeah. Right here. And right here, big surprise. Yeah, big surprise, guys. So keep it locked here, keep following, and please keep liking this video, and subscribe the channel, guys, because that is a better way of supporting me. Yeah, and thank you so much, guys. Yes, so guys, I'm back at home, and it wants to rain. It is drizzling. Yes. So guys, I'm still at home. I wanted to go down there and do a video, but then it started raining. Yeah, it's raining. It's raining. Yeah. Every single day trains here in the village. Woo. Yeah, so that is the current situation back at home. This is our tank. Yes, you can hear the water. It's going inside there. Yeah, that place. Yes, and I need to clean here, guys. I keep telling me like every single day, but tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow this thing has dried. Tomorrow I'm going to clean, and then you see now there's something I want to show you. You see now the water which was like coming and getting stagnant here. You see now it got fixed. Yeah, got fixed, guys. Yeah, fine. It goes the other side. Yes. So I think you can see now, guys. Yeah, everything is okay. Everything is super good, guys. I'm here. It's raining. Okay, let me wave the camera. Yeah, everything is okay. The bad thing about the village, when it rains, electricity disappears. The electricity goes. So right now we don't have electricity. Right now we don't have electricity. Let me put on my torch for the phone. Because electricity disappeared. Yes. And I'm here. You guys have been watching this. Yeah, from the scratch. So you are here. This is me. I am here. Calling. Okay, let me wait. When the rain goes or the rain stops, I'll tell you what you're planning to do. And yes, let's keep subscribing. Keep subscribing to the channel. Also like. The more the like, YouTube will recommend the channel to other audience, and our channel will grow. Yeah, the time is 2:32. It's very early. Yeah, the rain. Here's the rain. So we are trying to remove this soil from here. We need to levelize this place so that when the water comes from that side, it goes down. We don't want it to get stagnant somewhere here. And then you guys, if you have watched from the beginning of the video, I was in town. No, we were in sports. Like, I'm going to mix this video from yesterday. Yesterday we went somewhere, then I uploaded the video for the other day. Yeah, so but somewhere here will be seeing I bought the locks for the house. Let me show you the sheet, maybe for the new subscribers. We bought the locks, and I don't know if you can see well. Can you see well? Yeah, today. Got the locks down here. You can see. Yeah, so that is it. So tomorrow we want to fix. Yeah, we want to fix the, what is it called? The doors. What is it? It's raining. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. You guys, did you watch Marwa's video yesterday? Did you watch Mara's video yesterday? For those ones who don't know, Mara is one of the big YouTubers that we have here in Kenya. Did you watch his video yesterday? Yeah, guys, did you watch? If you watched, they got dropped in Nairobi. Yeah, and Mara requested, if you know that person, you please contact Marwa. If you know that person, help us to get that person. Yeah, help Marwa. I mean, yeah. If you did not watch Marwa's video, guys, please, if you go to Instagram, Marwa posted it also. Yeah, and there is a video also on Instagram and on Facebook. So not Facebook, on YouTube. If you know that person, please let people know, guys, because now these things of stealing things from others is getting more worse. You know the reason why I'm here in Nairobi also? I got robbed so many times. The last one was the bad one. They took even my camera, my phone, even my transport. Yeah? Like when I watched that video, I really felt so bad. And you know, we like doing videos in Nairobi during Saturdays and Sundays. Reasons being, we don't have a lot of traffic in town. Yeah? Even where like, what can I say? Like, even me. When I'm in Nairobi, I do videos on weekends. On Saturday or on Sunday, those 2 days. Because there's not a lot of movement in town. And then if you come to the downtown now, the CBD, right? The CBD here, you need to be careful when doing videos. But now, Mara, they were somewhere there, up there, around Harper Hill, around the Viaduct Road, up there, around the NHI office, up there. You know that place? Normally there's no, like, we don't have a lot of people there, yeah? Because I used to do videos there, because when I was new and they had stolen from me the first time, I feared going to the CBD. So I used to do videos where there's no, like, a lot of people. That's what I used to do. But now that is why I saw Marwa, people, like someone installed from them. So it means like that person, like someone is saying, like that person has been, like, maybe was following them from when they started the video. So Marwa's girlfriend and Marwa, they lost so many things. You guys, if you know that person, please let us know. Because now it is too bad. Imagine you are struggling making content here and there, and then someone just wants to live from where they not even, like, that is so wrong. That is so wrong. Yeah. Imagine you're stealing from someone. You don't even know if this person had the transport to go back home. You don't know what this person is going through, and you just comes and takes the stuff. That is so wrong. And if you are stealing, just know that your days are numbered. Stop doing what is not right. Just do what is right at the right time. Yeah. Yeah. So that is what I wanted to tell you. If you know that person, if you don't know who is Marwa, please go check on I am Marwa. You will see that video, or check on Instagram also, the same name. Yeah. You can see Marwa posted that video. Even the sister D Mwango also posted that video. We need to stop this thing of stealing from other people. It's a struggle. In fact, doing these videos in the street, it is not easy. Sometimes you might get even arrested. Yeah, so that is so wrong, and I'm not happy about that. I saw that video and I was like, You know, when you are a YouTuber, the phone, the camera, and the laptop, that is your office. Because if you don't have them, you can do videos. Yeah, that is your hobbies. Imagine when someone decides to steal your hobbies, the whole of your hobbies. How will you survive? You know, how will you survive? Yeah, so that is so wrong. And I'm hoping that everything will go well. Yeah, and tomorrow, and the girlfriend, I'm so sorry for what happened. Everything will be okay. Yeah, so that is it, guys. And we're here. It is still raining. We were removing this soil, me and my brother, but hey, I'm even in my boots. Not mine, they're for mom's. Mine, they got holes. They got so many holes from down there. So we're moving to this. We're removing this soil. I want to level at this place. The stones are there. We kept them over there. Yeah, so now at least the place looks okay. Yeah, so the best you can do, guys, please, you subscribe to the channel, because hey, after fixing the door and levelizing this part, yes, after, I'm telling you, after finishing this part, levelizing this home, this house, we're gonna start moving. Do you know what happened, guys? Something bad happened. You see the wheelbarrow, the tire that we bought a few days ago, it broke. This one. We need to go to take it back to be chomelead again. So we don't need to buy the whole of this. We need to take it back and fix here. Because we are collecting the soil from that sand with my brother, and then boom. It's this side. You see right here? This side right here. Yeah, so I need to find a way also to go and fix it. Yes. So since we don't have electricity, let us go to Mommy's house down there. There's something that we want to do, me and my brother, because there's something that happened also. And then, you know, sometimes just be nice to people, because tomorrow is never promised. We don't know tomorrow. So since we don't know tomorrow, just be nice to others. Yeah, that is what I can say. You know, because at some point, I don't want to say, but at some point a lot happens. Sometimes a lot happens, but hey, we are so grateful. We're so grateful. So tomorrow we have a series of work here. We're gonna fix the doors, then we're gonna do this part down here. See down here? I mean, the house is in a mess. It's a very big mess. Very big mess. And then we have you see this is the wire mesh which it remained when we were fencing. Yeah, we want to fence down there from the other part to all the way to the river down there. Yeah. Because there's some things that are happening and I'm not happy about it. So that is it, guys. We already fixed the glasses everywhere, so the house is okay, guys. The house is super good. Yeah, super good. So thank you so much, and do like this. So guys, I'm here. I'm from walking around. It's been raining, guys. So we have a lot of rain in the village. Yeah. I'm wearing my mom's boots. So you see this river? See the river or the stream? It goes to the other side. To school. Then to the other side, guys. It's a very big river. Yeah, so it goes that side. I'm with my mom right there and my brother. We were planting. Okay, we were making some what? We want to start planting. We want to plant some trees over there in our small forest. And yes, the rain is too much, guys. You see? Yeah, lot of wood. Yeah, that is my school, my former school. This was my first school, right here, right here. I went to 3 primary schools. Oh! Ouch. Whew. So let us go home and see what we have. Yeah, see what is happening at home. I'm telling you, the climate around, tea leaves, trees. That is the school, and everything is manganyo manganyo. Yeah, manganyo manganyo. and that's Chani, guys. You see, when it rains, the way this place looks like, very difficult for the motorbikes to pass around here. Yeah, because when it is like sunny season, maybe when there's no rain, the motorbikes comes and goes to the other side. But now it'll be very difficult for the motorbikes to pass from this side. Yes, so guys, you see the way it has rained? You remember we put this soil here when we were moving the soil from the back of our house? Now see, the rain has spoiled again, meaning we have a lot of rain in the village. Lots. Yeah, but we are grateful, guys. We thank God for everything. Yeah, so this is me. I'm here. I'm heading home. That's how our village looks like, guys. Super green, guys. Yes, so guys, the rain has stopped, and I want to show you around. I know, guys, you have been. Oh, and the electricity has just come back. You know, the good thing or the bad thing about the village, when it rains, the electricity yes, was off. Yeah, so when it was raining, the electricity disappeared, but it has come back. Yeah, so guys, tomorrow these doors will be fixed. I'm so happy. Like, I can't wait to show you the end product. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. The house still. So guys, I'm still here. Guess what? It's just been raining, a lot of rain. I'm telling you. I don't even want to go near. See? See that? It's been raining. I'm telling you. Let me go. Yeah, a lot of rain. I'm even wearing my sweaters too, because hey, it's so cold. Yeah. So that is it, guys. We are still moving. I'm heading somewhere. Hey, you have the small waterfall over here. Yes, so guys, we are on this road. Yeah, I'm heading to town. It is raining, not really raining, it has been raining, and it stopped. Yeah, I don't know, and today I don't have boots. I don't know if I will manage with to walk up to the other side, because hey, I'm wearing this. But let us try. Yeah, let's see what we can do, guys. Yeah, so this is right here. That is where my school is, my former school. Yo, I did a video from there. Maybe if you are new to the channel, let's go watch. Yes, watch that video and support me, guys. I have 2 sweaters because it was raining. It has been raining a few minutes ago. Yeah. So let's try and go to this side, and we see. This is the gate of our former school, primary school, right here. During our time, we had a gate for iron sheets, not this one. And during our time, we had trees around, but you see they fenced using the wire mesh. Yeah, so meaning the place is like everything is moving on well. Yeah, and a big shout out to my teachers. So that is it, guys. So let's keep moving and we see. Yeah, I told you guys I tried to be like start walking every single day, because hey, I don't want to be lazy. Yeah, I see. Sometimes walking is like one way of doing exercise. You remember when we were in Nairobi, we used to walk so many hours doing videos. So I'm going back to the roots. Yeah, those times that we used to walk for a long distance, that's what we want to start doing again. And I hope everything will go well, guys. So keep watching the video to the end, and hey, please like this video, and also share and subscribe, guys, to the channel. We need to get to 20,000 subscribers. Yeah, we need to start moving. Yeah, and one thing I can tell you guys, just be kind to one another, love one another, because tomorrow is never promised. Yeah, it's never promised. Yeah. Yes, that's what I can tell you guys. And also what else? Yeah, that is it. Yeah, so maybe I should just end this video, because this video is from yesterday. I'm going to mix them, and I want to sit down and edit the video for you guys. Yeah, so I'm heading to that side. Oh, there, and I'm from this side. So that being said, let me just end this video here. Thank you so much for the support. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment down below on what you think about my videos. So thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.